How to publish your game on Roblox Studio. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your game on Roblox Studio. To do so, first of all, you need to ensure that you have already downloaded Roblox Studio application on your device. Now go ahead and open your Roblox Studio application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you have logged into your Roblox Studio, you will land on this page. From this page here, you will need to select a template first. Select a template, and once you click on the template, now you will be taken to the editing space. Here you can edit your game as per your preference. You can use various tools presented here in order to customize the game. And after you are done, click on the file option at the top left. Once you click on it, this menu will appear. Here from the list, you will need to select Game Settings. Click on Game Settings, and in this page here you can give a name for your game. In the next box, you can add a description for your game, and you can change any settings for your game. Once you have chosen all of them, click on the Save button right at the bottom. After saving the game, now you are ready to publish it. Click on the File button at the top left again, and from the drop down, now select Publish to Roblox As. You may also use Alt plus Shift plus P keys from your keyboard. Once you click on it, now here you'll be able to see this page. Here select your game. After selecting it, click on this Overwrite button at the bottom right. Wait for a while, and now you have successfully published your game. After publishing your game, you can click on this Close button and open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type in roblox.com and press on enter. This will take you to the official website of Roblox. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, you will land on this page. Here at the top left, you will be able to find 3 horizontal bars. Click on those 3 bars to access the site menu. And from the menu that appears here, find the profile option and click on it. Once you click on the profile, now you will be taken to the profile page. Here, after reaching to this page, click on this Creations tabs next to About tab, and by doing so, here you will be able to see your games. Click on this arrow at the left side in order to view all your games. So by following these steps, you should be able to publish your game on Roblox Studio. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.